This 2014 Airstream Interstate 3500 Lounge is a Class B plus RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Airstream is 24 feet 4 inches in length and features a black interior, sleeps 2, refrigerator, TV antenna, TV, Colorado detector, microwave, stovetop burner, self-contained, LP detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features couples coach, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. This 2014 Airstream Interstate 3500 Lounge is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.